This first blazer came as a two-piece set, so it was a little more pricey. It was $12, but I didn't like the skirt it came with, so I just paired it with some jeans and some wrap heels. I ain't doing no poses for y'all, but I think this is one of my favorite looks. I really love the colors on this blazer, and the asymmetric style is so cute. Like, they did that. I got this really cute utility jacket for $6. I like how light it is. You can still wear it in the summertime on a cool day. I paired it with some nude heels and some ripped jeans. Ooh, feeling myself. This jacket also came as a two-piece set, but I only wanted a jacket. But of course, I had to buy the whole thing for like $15. But yeah, just doing some glasses and a bag. And voila. Y'all, these shorts are really cute, but they're a size 10. And obviously, I'm not a 10. So I have no idea how the waist ended up fitting me, but I made it work. These pants were $3. I love the color of it. It just screams summertime. I just paired it with a white top and some nude heels. That's the end of the video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed all the looks. See you next time. Hey friends, I want to come on here and give you guys some tips since the video was so short. It's like, let me bless them or whatever. They probably like, dang, how does girl find all these bomb ass clothes? But when I go, it's like nothing. It's like, nah. I mean, sometimes I get lucky, but really, you gotta look through everything. It's overwhelming, but you just gotta one shirt at a time, one pant at a time, because should be hiding, like I said. So yeah, it's worth it. And I guess number 2 would be wear leggings, because sometimes them fitting room lines be booming, and who has time to wait? Like, just try it on outside of the store. There's mirrors around the store, so you could just try it on then and there and call it a day. And tip number 3 would be always go on holidays, like 50% off. 50% off already reduced items. Like, I really think that's about it. Like, there's really not much to it. Yeah, that's it. Oh wait, you didn't